Today, we're gonna have creamy garlic chicken breast, family. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, for this creamy garlic chicken breast recipe, all you're gonna need is chicken breast, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, flour, Parmesan cheese, oil, butter, 3 small onions or 1 large onion, 12 garlic cloves or half a jar of minced garlic, chicken broth, and heavy cream. This is going to be a beautiful and a delicious dish. And without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, today because I'm feeding a couple people, I went ahead and filleted my chicken, family. You can also do so, and it's a great way to stretch your meal. Alright, now at this time, we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of salt to the front of our chicken breast, or to our chicken breast. Now we're going to add a half teaspoon of black pepper. Next, we're going to also add another teaspoon of garlic powder. Now we're going to go ahead and give this a flip, and we're going to do the same to this side, family. Now you can season this how heavy as you want. I'm not going to put garlic on this side because we're going to be adding garlic to this meal throughout this meal, so you will see. There you have it. Now we're going to go ahead and make our Parmesan flour batter. We're going to add 1 cup of flour, a half cup of Parmesan, and we're going to give this a nice mix. Go ahead and grab your plate, family. We're going to go ahead and take our chicken breast and we're going to put it into our Parmesan and flour batter. Coat that up real well until we get a plate full. Now at this time, family, we're going to go ahead and add 3 to 5 tablespoons of oil to your skillet, and we're going to add our chicken breast, family. Yes. We're also going to throw in 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to cook it down. We're going to flip it over, family. We're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes until it looks like this, family. Yes. After we cook it for about 2 or 3 minutes on that side, we're going to remove our chicken breast. And in the same skillet, we're going to add our onions and 2 to 3 tablespoons of our oil. And we're going to go ahead and cook this down, family. It smells beautiful. And at this time, we're going to add a half cup of our heavy whipping cream, and we're going to go ahead and give this a nice mix, family. Yes. Now you're going to add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. This is optional, it's up to you. And again, if you don't have Parmesan cheese, you can use mozzarella. And don't forget, family, I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description below. We're also now at this time going to add in our chicken breast. And we're going to cook this down until it boils. And this smells great, family. Take a whiff. Give me a like. Alright, family, so before we plate this up, quick facts. What country invented garlic sauce? Ancient Rome. It is said that it was first attested in ancient Rome. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay. You did this, family. Look at that. Now, to make this whole meal, it takes about 35 minutes thawed out. If it's from a frozen state, it can take anywhere from 45 minutes to an hour. Yes, family, and this will be great over noodles and rice. Yes, fam. Now let's go ahead and dig in. Look how juicy that looks. Juicy! Okay, let's go ahead and have a taste. And if you liked this video and you found it helpful, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Into our next food adventure. Peace.